Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should already have the document open. Now select File Page Setup or click anywhere on the page to reveal the toolbar. Choose whether you want a page background color, text highlight, or table cell color. This determines the tool you use. Once you pick Page Setup, open the Page Color menu and scan the preset swatches. Make sure to consider contrast and printing needs, because the wrong background can reduce readability or waste toner. Now apply the color you chose. Click a swatch or open custom and paste a hex code for precise branding. This ensures consistency across documents. For specific text, select the text and use the text color or highlight tool so only that content changes, which helps preserve accessibility. If you need colored blocks, insert a table or drawing and set cell or shape fill. Once done, preview at 100% zoom to finalize by clicking OK in Page Setup and let Docs autosave. Future collaborators will see the page color. Export a PDF to confirm how the color prints and how it appears on other devices, because screen profiles and printers can shift hues. If the color looks wrong, reopen Custom, re-enter the hex, and check your monitor color profile or browser color management. If a collaborator sees a different shade, ask them to clear cache or view the PDF to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.